DJI has outdone itself with the launch of the DJI Flip, a compact yet powerful drone aimed at beginners and creative enthusiasts alike. Over the past 2 weeks, I've had the chance to explore its capabilities in depth, and I can confidently say this drone is more than just a tool. It's an adventure. In this detailed guide, we'll dive into what sets the DJI Flip apart, its standout features, and tips to elevate your drone footage. Whether you're soaring over alpine landscapes or gliding along sunny coastlines, the DJI Flip promises to capture it all in stunning 4K detail. And, of course, stay tuned for my top tips to help you maximize its potential. An all-in-one marvel. At a price point of just £369, the DJI Flip is one of the most accessible drones in its category. Don't let its affordability fool you. This drone delivers high-end performance, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned videographers alike. With its lightweight build and foldable design, portability is a non-issue. The DJI Flip is compact enough to toss into a small bag, yet robust enough to handle challenging environments, from windy mountaintops to breezy beaches. Image quality. Setting a new standard. The DJI Flip boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring stable, cinematic footage even in turbulent conditions. Its ability to shoot in D-Log-M mode gives users more flexibility during post-production, allowing precise color grading and detail enhancement. Low-light performance is where the DJI Flip truly shines. Using my customized settings, which I'll share later, I was able to capture footage with minimal noise and exceptional clarity during twilight hours. Key features that stand out. Smart shooting modes. Quick shot modes. Pre-programmed flight paths like circle, drone, and rocket allow even beginners to capture dynamic shots effortlessly. Adjustable parameters. Unlike older models, you can now tweak the height and distance within QuickShot, enabling unique perspectives. Vertical photography option. While the DJI Flip doesn't shoot vertical videos directly, its 4:3 photo mode provides plenty of room to crop images for social media formats without losing quality. Grid lines for framing. Turning on the grid lines in the DJI Fly app is a game-changer for composition. Whether you're centering a subject or using the rule of thirds, this simple feature elevates your framing. Pro tips to unlock its full potential. Low-light mastery. When shooting in low-light conditions, adjust the ISO to stay within the 100 to 400 range and keep the shutter speed twice the frame rate for the smoothest results. Combine this with the D-Log-M color profile to preserve detail and reduce grain. Color Assist Switch. This feature acts as a virtual LUT, giving you a preview of what your footage might look like after grading. While it doesn't affect the raw footage, it's incredibly helpful during filming. Dynamic QuickShot adjustments. Open the DJI Fly app, navigate to QuickShot mode, and explore the adjustable height and distance options. This flexibility allows you to craft shots tailored to specific scenes. Battery management. With a flight time of approximately 30 minutes, carrying an extra battery is a must for extended shoots. Enable the battery health monitor within the app to ensure longevity. Real-world test, from peaks to shores. My journey with the DJI Flip started amidst the towering peaks of Switzerland. The drone stability was put to the test against unpredictable mountain winds, and it performed flawlessly. From there, I ventured to the tranquil beaches of Portugal, capturing vibrant sunsets and rolling waves. In every environment, the DJI Flip's capabilities exceeded expectations. Its responsive controls, combined with advanced obstacle avoidance, made navigating tight spaces and challenging terrains a breeze. Room for improvement. While the DJI Flip excels in many areas, there are a few limitations to consider. Vertical video. Direct vertical video recording is absent, which might be a drawback for social media enthusiasts. Limited range. The drone's range is capped at around 10 kilometers, which is decent but falls short of higher-end DJI models. Internal storage. The lack of significant internal storage means you'll need a high-speed SD card to get the most out of it. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Flip worth it? The DJI Flip is an impressive blend of accessibility, portability, and power. For £369, it's hard to find a drone that delivers such a well-rounded package. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into aerial cinematography or a seasoned creator looking for a reliable backup drone, the DJI Flip won't disappoint. Its intuitive controls, cinematic shooting modes, and robust build make it a standout in its class. While it has a few limitations, they pale in comparison to its strengths. If you're on the fence about buying your first drone, the DJI Flip might just be the perfect choice.